In this video, I'll show you how to create a contact group in Outlook. If you found this guide useful, please consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please consider leaving a like, and let's go right into this guide. Firstly, you need to open up Outlook. Then what you need to do is go up to the top left where it says new email, and just to the right of it, you've got this sort of downwards arrow, tap there, and this is new item. Go to the bottom and then go and tap on more items, and here we are. Then as you can see, we've then got this option for contact group, so tap on that. And so we're now creating a new contact group. The first thing you need to do is go name this group. So you should just name the group what it's about. So if it's like a team at your work, then it could be like the human resources team, or for example, it could be like a party. So it could be like a family party or something like that. So once you've gone and named it, now what you need to do is go and add members to this. To go and add members, all you need to do is go over to the right and then tap on these three dots here and go and tap on add members. And then we've got these three options here. You can choose from your Outlook contacts, your address book, or a new email contact. I'm just going to do a new email contact. So I'm going to go and add a few different members. So I've now gone and added some people to this list here. It's really easy, as I showed you before. Tap on the three dots and then add members. And just quickly, if you want to go and remove anyone from a contact group, then all you need to do is come to this page here, then find the person and click on their name, then go and tap on the three dots, and then you can go and tap on remove member. So once you finish adding the members and naming it, you can go and add more members in the future as well, by the way. Then just go and tap on save and close like so, and we've now gone and created the group. So to go and email the group, then literally tap on new email like so. And then what you need to do is go and tap on to, and then just type in the name of the contact group you just made. So mine was family party. So there we go. I can now go and tap there, and I can now go and email this group really easily. And it's that easy, guys. And if you want to go and make further edits to the group, and we'll go and close off this message here, all you need to do is go and find that group in your contacts. So go over to the left and go and tap on the contacts button. And then as you can see, I've only got a few here, but I can go and find the family party one pretty quickly. Then come onto it and tap on the three dots just below the name, and then we can press edit contact, and here we go. We can now go and add more members by tapping on the three dots, or I could go remove somebody by tapping on it and then going on pressing remove member like so, and then press save and close, and it's going to be updated.